Hello everyone. So today I have another warm up for you. It's still within the 5-tone scale that I've been using, and it's 3 notes. The last two that I gave, the first one was 5 notes. It was just a 5 tone scale, ascending and descending. I'm gonna do that in sets of threes. The second one, it was just 2 notes at a time. And this one is 3 notes at a time. And I really do love these warm-ups because it does set the tone for my lessons. And it helps the students to know their finger numbers, know their notes. And it really does help with finger independence. So let's not waste any more time. Let me get on with this warm-up. So we're using the metronome to keep the time. Then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. It's gonna be 4 sets of that. Then 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna begin again. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go with the left hand. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna go back to both hands. 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 'And that was the warm-up. I hope this warm-up will be as helpful for you as it has been for me and my students. Give it a shot.